saw you before the old fox could dig, and I knew you'd be worth all my son could give. Skirting around in the night, preparing a din that feels just right. No, not my son, no place to call home, 'cause he knew you'd give him one. I loved you before the old bird could sing, and I knew then your heart would be worth a king. Flying around in the morning, building their nest to keep them warm. No, not my son, no warmth of his home, 'cause he knew you'd give him some. Wrapped up in your love is where I belong. The place I call home is here in your song.
Winter is freezing and trees start to bolt, and I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance. 'Cause I came to this place looking for a familiar face, and that's when I met you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the first of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Dark cappuccino is what matters me. The way you came toward me, dragging your feet, and I just smile.